exiting kami ng Gaisano Tubod. Then, used to be this area. Tibay din pala yun. Doon sa gilid pala yung kanya. Okay.
Take the next right onto Linnaman, Zamboanga Road.
So dito na tayo. Now we'll be entering.
In 50 meters at Tuba Rotunda, take the first exit. Exit the roundabout.
Okay. So,
Continue for 4 kilometers.
you'll be crossing minutes or seconds from now Panguil Bridge. So wala namang toll to. Ayan, papasok na tayo. Ayan. Sa gitna ata pwedeng may parking eh.
Gitna tayo, picture tayo.
Hindi, parang may kuan siya, may ano to, may
Picture taking.
pwede kang reserve for watchers. Ayun. How long is this? 3 kilometers? Natin. May palm trees oh. Ano to? Ayun, we are crossing Panguil Bridge. This is from Lanao del Norte na side. So this is Panguil Bay. Tama oh. Ayan. So meron silang bicycle saka motorcycle lane.